We are back and we are bigger than ever. You know I had to do it. Yes. When you start a project and it just turns out completely differently, that's the adventure sewing takes you on. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine Marie, and I make videos here on YouTube all about fashion, beauty, and design. Today, I'm so excited to bring you all a much anticipated, a much awaited Disney princess recreating dress video. Let me insert a picture here so you can see which one I'm going to be making. This dress was so long awaited for me to create. I got so many comments, so many questions about it, and it's finally time. I am going to be using a pattern for the top part of the dress. I picked this up at Joann's. Honestly, the rest of the dress, I'm going to just freestyle and wing it. Wish me luck. It's going to be a great learning experience, and I'm going to bring you all along for the journey. Welcome to my apartment floor. So I want to do a quick little run through of the materials that I got for this dress. I went to my girl Joann, all right? Picked up this pretty blue fabric for the dress. And look, y'all. Oh, you cannot see that. Hold on. Okay, so do you now see what my camera was not picking up? Do you see the pretty glitter? Oh my, those are my toes. Oh my gosh, yes. And next we have the blue fabric that is the bow that's wrapped around her waist. Oh my gosh, pick this up at Joann's too. I feel like this color closely matches the bow, and this one was the closest match I could find at Joann's. So sometimes you just got to take a chance and you can create magic. All right, y'all, let's get started. Y'all, this top is already starting to look so good. Look at her. So I'm just gonna sew the top up tomorrow, and then I'll start on the skirt. I need to go to Joann's, and then I need to do the bow. The bow will probably be the last thing I do. But yeah, this was so successful. I'll check in tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of recreating Princess Tiana's blue dress. I got the top pinned together, so I got to sew it today. I got to put on the bias tape and the zipper. And hopefully I can get to the bottom part of the dress and do the skirt today. We'll see. All right, y'all, let's head to my design studio, which is in my closet. This was not working, okay? The thread was breaking. The last time it broke, I said, we're done. We're done. So I got some of the panels of the top sewn. I have to go to Joann and get some new thread tomorrow. Better thread quality, I think, is going to make a big difference. The thread I was using is from Walmart, so I'm thinking that might be a reason why it's just not threading properly. This fabric is also very unique. It's kind of silky. It has like this glittery texture, so it could also be the fabric. I hope not, because I love this fabric so much. Hi everyone. and welcome to day 3 of recreating Princess Tiana's blue dress. Day 2 ended a little abrupt. I finished sewing the pieces together, which yesterday was not looking like the pieces were even going to be sewn together. So thank the Lord. And I just pinned on the bias tape so I can sew that to the top part of the top. And I think now it does look like a little floppy. So I'm going to have to make this a corset, which I wasn't expecting to do. I was kind of like nervous. I don't know why. I don't know why I was kind of nervous because I haven't made like a corset top before. So I was just like confused about like, oh, the channels and like you have to stick the plastic up it. So now I have to do that. So this is going to be my first time trying it. I mean, I have to go back to Joann and get the plastic channel to go in the seams here. But I think it's going to look really nice. I mean, sometimes I feel like when you are sewing and you kind of make happy accidents, I feel like this is a happy accident that's actually going to work out really well for the completed design. I am actually going to go to bed. It's like 12 o'clock at night now, and I really don't want to stay up doing this. Yeah, not too much left. Honestly, I think the top part was going to take me the longest anyways, so the rest should be a breeze. I will check back in tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. A lot of things have happened since my last touch base, and I need to catch you all up. I finished the dress, but I didn't like it. Okay, so I finished the whole bottom part of the dress. I was not totally in love with it. I'm not gonna lie. I felt like it was giving prom dress a little bit, not Princess Tiana. So basically, after some research on YouTube University, I learned a little bit more about princess dresses and how they actually become poofy at the bottom is with a petticoat. I have to buy a petticoat from Amazon. That'll help the dress look more poofy at the bottom. I also have to put a new bottom on the dress as well. So we're not done. Just when I thought I was done, we're not done. And I still have to do the bow. But after that, I will be done. So that makes me feel really good. So there's a few more things that I wanted to show you all that I got to complete this whole entire Princess Tiana look. So I picked up some satin gloves from Amazon. I feel like they closely match like the blue color of Princess Tiana's dress. So these are gonna look so, so cute. I love this color. Next thing, I got this crown. I tried to get a crown that closely matches Princess Tiana's because hers kind of has like these points at the top, and they didn't have a lot of crowns on Amazon with like pointed ones. So I feel like I did my best, like trying to find one that looked the closest. Last but not least, I had to do it. Yes! I got a little frog stuffed animal from Amazon. I honestly thought it was going to be a little bigger, but it's okay. I think he's going to do just fine for the look. Hi, everyone. All right. It's been a good few days since I last have updated you. I'm not sure what day I'm on with recreating Princess Tiana's blue dress, but I'll put the day here. Tonight, we're taking the bottom off the dress. We're making the bow. We're going to open our petticoat. All right? Okay, y'all. Let's get started. Okay, y'all. The petticoat is on the dress form. I also finished the bow. I'm going to wait until I get the fabric tomorrow to finish the circle skirt to give you all the full look, because you got to see the full effect. Like, oh my gosh. If you could see what I see. This dress took me weeks to do, but I think going back to the drawing board was the best decision, because it's just going to be the poofiest, prettiest princess dress. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to share the final look with you all. We got one more part of the dress to finish, y'all. And then it's time for the final reveal. Bye! Hi, everyone! And welcome to day of recreating Princess Tiana's blue dress. We made it, y'all. We are at the final stages of making her dress. All I have to do is add the final skirt piece. I just got back from going to Joann's. I got the fabric. This was such a long time coming. I feel like a proud mom. I feel so like I'm almost there. Oh my God. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. We're going to get the skirt done today. Going to attach it to the top. And I'll show you the final look with it on the mannequin. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all, after days, after weeks, I have the finished Princess Tiana blue dress. All she needs now is the bow sash. Let's put it on. I still can't believe I made this. Like, truly. Once the bow is on it, it's just incredible. Wow. Look at this. Total transformation from prom dress to princess. That is a wrap of this sewing vlog of making Princess Tiana's blue dress. Stay tuned for the next clips to see how this whole look comes together. I got the accessories and everything, so I'm so excited for you all to see the whole entire look. I'm doing my hair, I'm doing my makeup. I look insane right now, but the whole look is going to come together, okay? I'm so excited. So stay tuned for the next clip to see the final look. Bye. Thank you all so much for watching this video. This was probably by far my favorite Princess Tiana dress to make to date. I feel like I learned so much about dressmaking from how I started the dress to how I completely transformed it and how I did the top part. I wasn't planning to do like a corset top, but I ended up doing one. Sometimes you just have to try things. Sometimes you just have to take a chance and you can make some magic. There is one more Princess Tiana dress left in this Recreating Princess Tiana Dresses series. I think you all know which dress I'm talking about. That is another dress that has been much awaited and much anticipated. So I'm so excited to start working on that one. Ugh! I can't wait for that one. That one's going to be so good. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to keep up with me, I am on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at the Charmaine Marie. I'll see you in my next video.